Hey guys, we're back again with another video from the Inquisitive Farmwife. You never know what I'm going to do, and today it's a review. I'm so excited. Carinier got a hold of me, and they asked me if I wanted to try one of their electric cookers, and you would not believe that hubby and I actually had been investigating getting one of these because this is going to be perfect for, like if he's at the stove and I want to cook something here, vice versa. How about going outside and doing some cooking so we don't have to have it inside? Want to take it camping? Anyway, let's get to open it up and look at what's inside. They actually let me choose which one I wanted, and I wanted a single burner because I think that's going to be perfect for my needs, but they have a wide variety of different sizes and styles of these tabletop burners. And they actually have big, huge ones that you can put into your countertop too. But this is one of their newer models, and I'm so excited to get to test this out. And I'm excited you're here with me as we open it so you can see what you would expect if you would order it too. Now, I'll have all the information down below about the company and how you can check them out too. And if I have a discount code, I'll make sure to include that. Okay, we've got some great directions here, but it looks pretty easy. And you know what? It's a lot lighter than I thought it would be. I'm loving having the handles because I think that's going to be a great bumper guard for when I put it places. I can put it in my cabinet. It's pretty slender. They have ones that are smaller and sleeker, but see this right here? I chose this one because I wanted that handle, as I think I'm going to be able to understand the concept of how this works a little bit better. So what are we waiting for? Let's cook something up. Let's plug it in. They do suggest that you use stainless steel flat bottom pans. So I have this pan here. I think this will work just fine. Okay, you heard it beep when I plugged it in, and it does say on and off. Can you hear that? Another reason I bought this was so that it had this fan here. Ooh, wow, it's already getting hot. There's stir fry. And it's at 1800. Barbecue is at 1000. Steaming is at 1600. There's a timer. You can lock it. I don't need a timer. You can shut it on or off. It's telling me it's hot. I'm going to put it back. Turn it back on. Stir fry. And I can turn it to whatever temperature I want with my knob. And that's what I really wanted because I wanted to be able to control it that way. So here's my pan. I'm going to spray a little bit of oil in here. And we're going to make a quick quesadilla. And this is just a simple, easy one that I make a lot of times just to make a quick meal. So I don't know what your go-to is. I thought about doing a grilled cheese, but I just love quesadillas. So I think I can maybe turn this up. It goes all the way up to 1800. I'm going to turn it back to 1600 where we were at first, and we'll let this warm up. Cheese has become very melty. So I think we're probably ready. Whoop. I'm going to shut that off. You can see it's red. It's hot. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it somewhere else. And I'm going to let this run so that we can see how quickly that the red goes away. And it's already, I can see, starting to cool. But see, it still tells you, it's hot. It's hot. I'm going to go ahead and my quesadilla. Oh, it's got a nice crunch to it, just like I'm used to. And look, it's already cooling down. It's still hot. It says it's hot. I love that it reminds you of that and that you can actually take it. It's light enough. You can lift this, move it out of the way for children. I think this is great. I'm really looking forward to bringing more cooking videos to all of you using this so that I don't have to move my camera all around. This is great for any YouTuber, but you know what? To be honest, I have a feeling that my family is probably going to use this every bit as much as I do. So I'm so excited. I hope you go check out this company. So if you are like me and my hubby and you were looking for something like this anyway, I encourage you to go check out this company. Thanks so much, guys. See you next time. Bye for now.